Hello, Quantum Leap callers. Happy Thursday. It's Krystal Downey-Shada, and I'm super excited to leave you a message today. I had this experience, and it just made me think about the similarity of this in our lives and in our businesses. And I was using my GPS to navigate, and I was at a standstill. And when I was at the standstill, my GPS didn't know exactly where I was. It knew where I was, but it didn't know what direction I was going, what direction I was facing. And so I actually had to start driving in order for it to orient to me and where I was. And then it could redo the navigation for exactly which direction I was going. And it just felt so real to life and how that happens, that we can be at a standstill and not really oriented and a little lost as to what's next and what to do and what direction do I go. And then we can overthink that, not knowing what direction to go. And in the overthinking it, find ourselves frozen and not moving. And I've talked about before, taking that next step, just like with the navigation, you've got to move so that it can know where you are and where you're going and send you in the right direction. And I think that's so true also within life and within our Mary Kay businesses, that we got to move. We got to take action. We've got to take the next step, even if it's sick, bad, and wrong, whatever it is. But we've got to take that next step so that we can be oriented as to where to go and what that looks like. And I mean, think about it. We can, when everything happened like it did, 18 months ago, 15 months ago with COVID, and we all got to shift and do something different, we could really get stuck in the overthinking. What should I, could I, would I do? What does it look like? And I don't know, and it's got to be right. But until we actually take the step and get in motion and then evaluate from that place, what's next, we're stuck. And it's just getting into motion. And boy, that's true for booking, getting on the phone, booking appointments, doing those follow-up things, all of those things that we know that we need to do or we want to do or are important to do. We just got to take the next step of action. And whatever it is, even if it doesn't work or it's not quite right, we can reorient to it once we get moving. And we can make adjustments and make it look how we want it to. We just get unstuck from the inactivity. That's such the key. All right, so that's my message for today. Take your next step. Get moving. Do something. And in the doing something, preferably something a little uncomfortable, but in the moving and doing something, it shifts everything and supports our direction and where we're headed. All right, hugs to you. Have an amazing day. Bye-bye.